Welcome to the car rental app demo. In this walkthrough, we'll explore the main features of the application. The customer begins by logging in with their account. On the profile page, the customer can see their credit balance and the number of their completed reservations so far. Next, on the dashboard, the customer can view 5 reservations, each with different statuses. To make a new reservation, the customer navigates to reservation page and selects a time interval. The application displays all available car models for the selected dates. After choosing a car model, a modal opens, allowing the customer to finalize their booking details. The first step is to confirm the pickup and drop-off times. The customer then reviews the complete reservation summary before proceeding. By clicking Create Reservation, the customer can choose to pay now or pay later. If they postpone the payment, a warning explains that availability is not guaranteed. In that case, the reservation still appears in the customer dashboard with the status of waiting for payment. If the customer decides to pay now, they can apply their available credit balance. The total amount is reduced accordingly and any remaining balance is redirected to PayPal for payment. After completing the payment, the new reservation appears in the customer's dashboard. The credit balance in the profile is updated to 0 and a confirmation email is sent to confirm that the reservation is secured.
Now let's switch to the staff view. The staff member logs into the application. On the reservation management page, a table on the left side lists all reservations. By default, they are sorted by creation time, but the staff can also sort them by a start date or end date in either ascending or descending order. Reservations can also be filtered based on their status. The staff member selects the reservation that the customer just created moments ago. On the right side, a detail panel opens showing the reservation details along with a wide range of controls and actions that the staff can perform. On the Vehicle Detail tab, the staff member can see the specific vehicle assigned to this reservation. For each car model, there may be several available vehicles. During a reservation, the system automatically assigns the one with the least mileage so that all vehicles are used evenly. If something bad happens to the assigned vehicle before the reservation starts, the staff has the ability to switch it to another available vehicle. The staff can also update the reservation time interval or change the car model. If the new selection results in a lower total price, the customer is refunded the difference. If it results in a higher price, the reservation status changes to waiting for payment and the customer is prompted to pay the remaining amount through their dashboard. The staff can then contact the customer by email to inform them about the changes made to their reservation. If necessary, a staff can also cancel a reservation.
In that case, the customer is notified automatically by email and the amount they paid is refunded directly to their account credit balance. Now the customer decides to pay the difference created by changing the car model. This time they use their account credit, which fully covers the required amount without any external payment.
Back on the staff side, in the transfer section, the staff member can view and edit transfer details. He or she adds pickup location and assigns the transfer task to herself. On the day of pickup, the staff marks the reservation as started. This confirms that the vehicle has been handed over to the customer and the reservation is officially in progress. A staff can also add notes to the reservation at any time for internal record keeping and future reference. If necessary, maintenance can be scheduled for the assigned vehicle directly from this view. Once the reservation status changes to ongoing, the customer automatically receives an email confirming the start of their reservation. At the end of the reservation, the staff member marks the reservation as completed. This indicates that the customer has returned the vehicle and the booking is finalized. As part of reservation completion process, the staff can upload a CSV file. This file contains timestamp and GPS locations of the roads the vehicle traveled during the reservation period. Once uploaded, the system processes the information and performs analytics. A brief overview of the insights is displayed to the staff. In a real-world scenario, this step could be also automated using a GPS device embedded in each vehicle. Next, the staff member is prompted with an assessment module where they can score customer across multiple criteria. The reservation status is now marked as completed and the analytics is accessible through a dedicated tab. Just like every change in the reservation status, the customer receives an automated email confirming the reservation completion. From their dashboard, the customer can see the reservation marked as completed. Their profile also reflects updates including their reliability score and the total number of reservations made.
Now let's switch to the Fleet Manager view. In the car models page, we see a list of all available car models in the company. These models can be filtered based on multiple criteria. Filters can be removed dynamically simply by clicking on your labels. The Fleet Manager can also add a new car model to the system. From each model, an actual vehicle can be created and added to the company's fleet. From here, we can jump directly into the Vehicles page. Only vehicles related to the selected car model will be shown, containing the newly created one. By removing this filter, we return to the full list of vehicles. Vehicles can also be filtered based on multiple criteria. From this section, we can see the details of the car model a vehicle belongs to. In this page, we can view and add notes specific to each vehicle, ensuring full traceability. Maintenance activities are managed here as well. The Fleet Manager has complete control. They can close ongoing maintenance, schedule one for the future, or start a new maintenance immediately.
In this short demo, I'll show how the system manages concurrent payment for the same vehicle. John and Alice has an unpaid reservation for same vehicle and same time interval. At this stage, the vehicle is not locked because availability is only guaranteed once payment is completed. This logic allows the same vehicle to still be offered to new reservations until someone actually pays. Now, John and Alice both attempt to pay at the same time. They initiate the payment and confirm. Even though both payments succeed, only one reservation is confirmed. The other is automatically cancelled and the system refunds the amount to the customer's credit balance.